Mass and inertia. In this video, we will learn about mass and inertia. What is the relationship between mass and inertia? What is the positive and negative impact of inertia in our daily life? What is mass? Mass is the quantity of matter in an object. The SI unit for mass is kilogram. The mass of an object is constant if the quantity of matter in an object does not change. What is inertia? Inertia is the natural tendency of an object to resist any change in its original state, whether at rest or in motion. Inertia is not a physical quantity. Therefore, it cannot be measured. Inertia has no value and has no unit. Let's look at how inertia happens in our daily life. When the cardboard is pulled quickly, the coin will fall into the glass. The inertia of the coin will maintain the original state of the coin, that is, being at rest. The coin will not move together with the cardboard, instead it will fall into the glass due to gravitational force. Observe the demonstration in this video. When the train moves, the passenger will move forward together with the train. When the train stops suddenly, the body of the passenger maintains its forward motion. Inertia of the passenger maintains the original state of the passenger. That is, being in motion. Thus, the passenger continues his forward motion. Remember the person whom first discovered gravitational force under the apple tree? He is Sir Isaac Newton. Inertia follows Newton's first law of motion by Sir Isaac Newton. Newton's first law of motion states that an object will remain in its original state. That is, being at rest or in motion, with constant speed, in a straight line, if no external force acts on it. What is the relationship between mass and inertia? The inertia of an object is affected by its mass. The larger the mass of an object, the larger the inertia of the object. Look at this picture of a man pushing an empty supermarket trolley. The mass of an empty trolley is small. Therefore, the inertia of the trolley is also small. This enables the trolley to be easily moved from its original state. Next, he pushes a trolley full of groceries. The mass of a trolley filled with things is larger. Therefore, its inertia is also larger. This causes the trolley to be more difficult to move from its original state. The relationship between mass and inertia can be studied using an inertial balance. The inertial balance was invented by NASA to determine the mass of objects in outer space. We can carry out the experiment in the lab to study the relationship between mass and inertia. This is the setup of the apparatus. The hacksaw blade was tightly clamped horizontally onto the leg of a table using the G-clamp. 30 grams of plasticine was placed at the end of the hacksaw blade. The hacksaw blade with the plasticine was slightly pulled and released, making it to oscillate. The time for it to make 10 oscillation was taken. The steps was repeated using different weight of the plasticine. The result of the experiment shows that the time taken for the heavier plasticine to make 10 oscillation is longer than the lighter one. Thus, we can make a conclusion that the inertia of an object increases when the mass increases. Inertia is affected by the mass of an object. Let's observe some effects of inertia in our daily life. A wet umbrella can be dried by spinning the umbrella quickly and stopping it suddenly. Water droplets will continue to move, even when the umbrella has stopped spinning due to inertia. So, the water droplets will fly off the umbrella. Inertia can cause positive and negative effects in our daily life. In another example, the loose head of a hammer can be tightened by banging its handle against a hard surface. A swift bang drives the hammer head downwards due to inertia. Observe the demonstration in this video. When a car stopped abruptly, the driver or passenger will jerk to the front. This is because the object has the tendency to remain moving forward even when the car stops. The effects of inertia can cause injury to car drivers. Therefore, a car is equipped with airbags, headrests, and safety belts to reduce the effects of inertia. Observe the demonstration in this video. During landing, an aeroplane of large mass cannot stop within a short distance due to inertia. Therefore, long runways are needed for the aeroplane to land safely. In conclusion, mass is the quantity of matter in an object. Inertia is the natural tendency of an object to resist any change. The larger the mass of an object, the larger the inertia of the object. Inertia can cause positive and negative effects in our daily life. That's all. Thank you for listening.